Welcome. Today, we're going to fix a small but really common issue that a lot of people have noticed after the latest WhatsApp web update. If you've been wondering why the app keeps running or syncing in the background, even after you've closed its tab, don't worry, I've got you covered. In just a few quick steps, you can stop WhatsApp web from doing background sync on your computer once and for all. Alright, let's get started. First, open WhatsApp web on your browser. Make sure you're already logged into your account so that everything loads properly. Once the page is open, look right next to the website address at the top of the screen. You'll see a small icon that's your site information section. Click on that to open a small drop-down menu. Now, from there, look for the option that says Settings. Click it and you'll be taken to a list of controls where you can manage how the site behaves on your computer. Under the category called Permissions, you'll find an option that says More Settings Permissions. Go ahead and click on that. This is where things get important. Scroll through until you find the option labeled Background Sync. By default, it might be set to Allow, which means WhatsApp web can keep syncing messages or notifications even when the tab isn't active. To stop that, click on the drop-down menu next to it and select Block. And that's it. Once you've done this, the setting applies instantly, no need to restart your browser or reload the page. From now on, WhatsApp web will only stay active when you have the tab open. As soon as you close it, the syncing stops completely, helping your PC stay faster and your privacy a little more secure. If this video helped you, take a moment to share it with others who might find it useful. Thanks for watching.